Now this is exactly how to turn on or off sensitive content on Twitter or on the x.com. So this is how you can do it on the app, and then I will show you the process for the PC. Let's get started. So the first step is right here, tap on your profile, and here in the settings and support button, tap on settings and privacy. Right now in this option, here is an option of privacy and safety. Tap on this, and here as you can see, you would find content you see. Now in this option, you will find the sensitive media option. Now there is an option of graphic violence. Now either you can just add the show warn option, so whenever you find any media file that is somewhat sensitive or violence kind of thing, it will warn you or never show this. Do whatever you like, and in the adult content either you can select the warn option, show all, never show this. I hope you understand. And others, either you can tap on never show this, something like political or some kind of things that people consume, right? So you can do this. So this is how you can turn on or off sensitive content on the app, and I will show you the process of PC in the next frame.